Playing with words. Adjective order unraveled. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an important aspect of English grammar, the order of adjectives. Yes, the order in which we arrange adjectives when using more than one to describe a noun is important. It might sound tricky, but don't worry, we're going to demystify it step by step. Adjective order refers to the sequence in which we place adjectives when we use more than one to describe a noun. For instance, in the phrase, small red ball, small and red are both adjectives describing the noun, ball. But why don't we say, red small ball? That's because English follows a specific order when it comes to adjectives. The typical order of adjectives in English is as follows. 1. Quantity or number. 2. Quality or opinion. 3. Size. 4. Age. 5. Shape. 6. Color. 7. Origin, where it comes from. 8. Material. 9. Purpose, what it's used for. Let's look at an example. She has two beautiful large old round green Italian wooden dining chairs. That's a mouthful, isn't it? But it follows our rules for adjective order perfectly. To really grasp the order of adjectives, let's break down the examples. Quantity or number. 2 chairs. Quality or opinion. Beautiful chairs. Size. Large chairs. Age. Old chairs. Shape. Round chairs. Color. Green chairs. Origin. Italian chairs. Material. Wooden chairs. Purpose. Dining chairs. As you can see, the adjectives are arranged according to the aforementioned order. To get comfortable with the adjective order, practice is key. Try forming sentences using multiple adjectives before a noun. For instance, describe your favorite shirt or your ideal house. This will help reinforce your understanding. And that wraps up our session on adjective order. Remember, like any other language skill, mastering adjective order takes a bit of time and lots of practice. So keep practicing and don't be afraid of making mistakes along the way. Happy learning and keep exploring the beauty of English.